Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film my kind of go-to summery look. It's kind of bright and, fun, but not too much at the same time. It's, pretty simple and doesn't take too long to put on. So for foundation, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f., I think it's called like Acne foundation. It doesn't have the name of it on the bottle, but it's in the color porcelain, which is the lightest shade, and it's not that light. I just make it. So I just like to squirt a little bit on my finger and apply it, and then I take my Real Techniques beauty sponge and I blend it out. So I've still been struggling a lot with filming. I actually filmed this video yesterday, but I filmed it in 3 clips, and 2 out of the 3 wouldn't play on my computer. I don't know what that's about, but I just keep having struggles and it's super frustrating. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I hear a lot of people film on their phones, so I don't know, but it's frustrating. I'm still trying though. I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the color Fair and put that around my eyes. If anybody that's watching this has any sort of tips for, filming with their phone, or even, good affordable cameras that are good for, starting out, and by affordable I mean, under $300 or something, because I've been recommended some, but they're, $500, and I don't have that sort of money. I don't have $300, but, something to look at, and, because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if this lighting is even, good. I'm using my, vanity mirror that has, lights around the rims. I'm sure you can see it in my eyes, the reflection. But I've been using that as my light source, and it's not terrible, but I mean, I'm sure there are other things that are better. I got recommended a ring light by some friends, and that was, affordable and stuff, so I don't know if that would make that big of a difference, because I don't want to, spend that money and then, come back and be like, oh, this doesn't do anything. But I mean, I can always return it, I guess. Just if you guys have any sort of tips or just anything, let me know, because I welcome any sort of help I can get. Blend that in with my Real Techniques sponge again. I've been struggling recently with dryness around my inner corners and kind of out here, and I'm not sure if it's from putting on makeup and taking it off multiple times and all that, or what. I know I spoke in my first video that I was using that eye cream, and I stopped using it every night because I wasn't sure if that was kind of irritating my eyes. Who knows? I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and set my under eyes and my T-zone. Another thing that I've been struggling with in the editing department is if I fast forward some of the clips, the immediate clip right afterwards, what it cuts to, the sound is off. Like I was mentioning before in my previous, the 39A palette, I believe. I've been filming so many times and it's been failing so many times, and I've been deleting it, so I'm not sure what I've been mentioning and if it's actually gone up or not. But yeah, when I fast forward it and then it cuts to the next clip, the sound is all off. So now I'm just gonna try to do little snippets of me putting the stuff on instead of fast forwarding through it, because I know that works. I don't know if that has to do with the phone, the recording part, or if it has to do with the actual editing software that I'm using. It's called Filmora, I believe, the editing software that I'm using. So I just decided to use that one because that one I could figure out the easiest. So I don't know if that's like a bad idea to use that one or what, you know. I don't know. Now I'm going to go into my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, and I'm going to be using my Real Techniques powder brush to set the rest of my face with. Next, I'm going to be taking my Milani Bronzer XL and using the contour and bronzer shade in that to contour and bronze. And I'm going to be going in with my Essence of Beauty dual-ended blush and powder brush this side to contour. I'm going to be going in with my Flawless Face brush by Bare Essentials and going in with that bronzer shade and taking that all over the tops of my cheeks and my forehead. I'm going to be taking my Revolution collaboration with Soph Does Nails, and I'm going to be going in with these two colors to kind of glow myself up a bit more. See how that gives me a bit of a glow? I'm still going to be applying highlighter though on top of that. For blush, I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Infallible Paints blush quad, and I'm going to be going into this color, and I'm going to put that lightly on my cheeks because it's pretty pigmented. And I'm going to be taking that same Essence of Beauty dual-ended brush, only the blush side. I'm basically tapping into it and then knocking it all off and then applying it. For highlighter, I'm going to be going in with the same Makeup Revolution or Revolution Makeup collaboration with Soph Does Nails, and I'm going to be going in with this gold color. And I'm going to be taking my Morphe M510 brush to do that. For brows, I'm going to be going in with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Ash Brown and my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Boost and Set for the gel to go on top. I just have a little bit left and I still have to do my other brow. Good thing this brow doesn't need a whole lot of product. I was literally just thinking while, like, right before I started doing my brows that I felt like this was running low because I've used it so much, but I didn't want to check, so I called it. Okay, now for the eyes, I'm going to be going in with my Revolution Makeup collaboration with Soph Does Nails, the Ultra Eyeshadows Palette. And I'm going to be taking... Woo, you can see that. Let's try again. I'm sucking. And I'm going to be taking this color, Cuppa Tea. And I'm going to put it all over my crease with my Morphe M441 brush. Now this makeup look, like the eyeshadow, I just use two different colors. But like if I want to make my eyes a little bit more defined and kind of deepen up the outer corners a little bit, I'll take one more color out of here. I think it's called Mug Cake. Yeah. And I'll just kind of put it in my outer corner. But really just these two colors that I'm going to show you is good enough. Now for my other color, I'm going to be going into my Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in I Like You. And this is like probably my favorite shade by them. I don't know if you can tell. It's like a goldy yellow orange color with pretty pink sparkles on the inside. I'm going to be just using my finger to apply that to my eyelid. I've seen people like on Morphe's Instagram and stuff like that, or like on YouTube here, using these Super Shock shadows with brushes. And like I have a couple that I would like to use with brushes because they're more like, you know, crease colors or transition colors, but I can't seem to make them work well with a brush. Like the pigment doesn't show up with it. So like there's another thing, if you guys have any sort of tips or tricks with that, let me know, because I'd like to know. Now, just because I've been telling you guys about the third color that I like to apply in this, if I feel to, like, I want to go a little bit more with the eyes, I'll just do it for this tutorial. So I'm going to go in with the same Revolution Beauty Soph Does Nails collaboration, the Ultra Eyeshadows palette, her first palette that she came out with them. And I'm going to go into Mug Cake and just kind of add it on my lower lash line a little bit and in the outer corners with my Morphe M514 brush. Next, I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara in the color Blackest Black, and I'm going to apply 2 coats of that to my top lashes and 1 coat to my bottom lashes. Like usual, I got mascara on my eyelids, but while that dries, I'm going to be going in with my highlighter palette that I used earlier, and I'm going to take that same gold shade, I'm going to put it in my inner corners and my brow bone with my Real Techniques accent brush. And lastly, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lip in the color Heroin, and I'm going to put that on my lips. And that completes the finished look. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully this video goes up and it doesn't give me any trouble. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share this around. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.